Good morning. We've come down to a place we've seen the fox a couple of times recently. I did tell you I like a challenge, so we're going to see if we can get this fox again. A couple of times we've failed, getting closer each time, but yeah, maybe this time. Got my camo on this time, so maybe it won't see me quite so much. Got straight down here this morning. What is it now? It's just 7:30 now. Not too many distractions, which I normally get on the way. One nice little chaffinch on the way, but that was about it. Other than that, not too many distractions. So yeah, beautiful day again. Actually getting some stunning weather here in the UK at the moment. It's been they say the sunniest May for 100 years. Hardly any rainfall, particularly down south. So yeah, weather's been absolutely glorious. Another beautiful day, beautiful blue skies up there, so absolutely fantastic. So let's start to concentrate, because you know what I'm like, I get distracted and then something happens and I miss it. So I need to concentrate. I'm just watching this path down here just to see if this fox appears. Same place as last time. You can see as you walk up there's some fox tracks, or some tracks that go through the undergrowth, so there's something obviously that wanders through there all the time. I'm pointing that way, my guess is it's probably going to come from that way, and the camera will be in the total wrong direction, but we'll give it a go. We'll sit quiet, we'll see what happens. So we're just looking down this path in front of us. This is where we saw the fox a couple of times recently. Pointing in this direction. Problem is occasionally he will actually come from this side, down the path here. If he does, there's probably a little chance we'll get him without spooking him, because as soon as we move the camera he's going to get spooked. So at the moment we're just going to focus on this area down here. Last time we saw him wandering, he was just coming out of the undergrowth around these areas here and just walking across the path. So that's what we're hoping for again. Starting to get a bit distracted because there's plenty of cuckoos around me by the sound of it. Can hear one at the back of me at the moment. So I really need to focus. It's going to be probably a long wait for, if anything, very little reward. Unless we get some really good shots, of course, then the reward's amazing. But in terms of time, it's just going to be a couple of seconds, probably where we see the fox if it comes through, for quite a while sitting here. Doesn't make for a great interesting video really, does it? Hey ho. Gotta do these things though, just to get the picture. The cuckoo has just come straight over my head. It would have been a superb shot. I couldn't get I heard it coming, but couldn't get the camera off the tripod quick enough. Couldn't find the right buttons. I was fumbling around trying to find out how to loosen it, and all I could do was watch it as it sang to me and disappeared over my head. God, this wildlife photography is so frustrating sometimes. But I'm focusing for the fox, remember. Still would have been nice to get the cuckoo though. Distraction time again. Some lovely daisies, I think that's what they are, just to the right of me. Really good in the sunlight. Yeah, can't help it. Doesn't have to be moving to get a distraction, just have to look good for a photograph. So I've just repositioned myself. My old bones just can't do with being on the floor for too long. And I've been here for probably hour and a quarter, hour and a half now. So what I've done is I've stood myself up, put the tripod up, and there's a bit of a gap between the bush here. And through that gap we've actually got quite a good bit of vision, but hopefully the bush is going to obscure us if the fox comes out. So yeah, I think that could be quite a nice position. I think where we were sitting, we were actually quite exposed. But from here, I think it would be harder for the fox to see us actually. But we have got a clean shot through the bushes. So give this a little bit longer, see what happens. No show at the moment, so not looking promising. And it is about 8:45 now, so yeah, not holding out much hope. I did try and get a shot of the woodpecker though. So here goes for distraction again. The green woodpecker's just flown across the back of here, across me, and just landed on that electric pylon there. So I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see this, but it's still quite a way away. He's just actually sitting on the electric pylon. Well, sorry guys, it looks like it's a no-show from a foxy friend today. About 2 hours have been here now. It goes really quick, it really does when you're doing this sort of thing, I have to say. 2 hours just seems like nothing. So yeah, I'm gonna try one more. I'll come back to this area again tomorrow. I think we've got comfortable now. We've got a nice standing position. We've got a nice gap through the bush here that we can look at. So it's taken us a few days probably to sort out the best sort of location and pitch just to sit at or stand at now. So yeah, so I think we've been quite comfortable, a bit more relaxed, less fidgety. So if he is around, he's not going to get jumpy. So yeah, I'm going to try again one more day. But in the meantime, I realise I haven't brought you any photos yet, so let's go have a little walk around and see if we find anything. Yeah, let's go. Just got a few black-headed gulls flying around the lake here. Not sure if we're going to get any decent video of this, but we'll see if we get some still shots of them. They're just cruising around and obviously looking for insects, I think, on the water. As we're just doing our final sort of walk back down here, saw something up in the sky. It was quite distant, took a couple of shots, and just looking on the back of the camera, it looks like it's a bird of prey that's actually caught something, got its prey in its talons. It's difficult for me to tell, say, from the camera because it's quite a distance off. And it's difficult to see on the back of the camera, obviously. But when we get that back, we'll have a look, and yeah, we might have something there. So I'll have a look at that and see what comes up, and if we can see anything, I'll drop it into the video. But yeah, okay day. Nothing fantastic. Didn't get the fox, which is what we really wanted. We're going to try again. We're going to try one more day for the fox. So we found somewhere nice and comfortable now where we can stand up and have a good view of where we need to be. So we're probably going to come down, hopefully, one more day and just give that one more try, see what happens. And there certainly didn't seem to be any sign of it today, so potentially it's moved on. I don't know. Yeah. Whatever you're doing today, have a great day. Stay safe. I'm really starting to enjoy bringing these videos again now. It's great to get back out and about. So I'll catch up with you again soon. Don't forget to thumbs up down below if you like the video. If you're new around here, as always, it'd be great to have you subscribe. And I'll hopefully bring you something again soon. And hopefully we might get this fox. Have a great day. Bye for now.